Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Help, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to delete a theme on WordPress. So, very quickly, what you want to do here is go to site title, go to my home. This is your home. And then what you're going to do is scroll down here, navigate all the way to themes right here in the paintbrush. Themes. Now, there are certain conditions here, conditions that I haven't met as well, but there are conditions for you to be able to delete a theme. First of all, it needs to be inactive, meaning you haven't opened it up for a couple of days, and that it's no longer you're no longer using it practically. If that's the case, then there should be a delete icon right here, so just click on that and you'll be good to go. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.